Hi everyone, it's Clyde from Yellow Brick Road here at St. Mary's, your local wealth accelerator specialist. Why is it that we tend to buy a lot more of things when they're cheaper? However, we do the opposite when it comes to the share market. You see, we know we all love bargains, right? We love bargains, whether it's clothes, food, shoes, you name it, we always love bargains. And we tend to buy a lot more of it when it's cheaper. I know I definitely do. I love going to takeaway shops after the peak hour lunch because I know that they'll be selling great food at a discounted price. So we all do it. However, when it comes to the share market, when prices fall, we tend to do the opposite. You see, share markets or share prices will always rise and fall. We will always have that. It's exactly like the grocery prices. Prices will always rise and fall. Clothes will always rise and fall. But our attitude when the share price falls is that we tend to sell. So, what I want you to think about is these 3 points that I'll just go through quickly with you when the share price falls. So I want you to consider these 3 points when there's a little bit of volatility or when there's volatility in the market. The first thing that I want you to consider is to take advantage of the discount. You see, we all love discounts, we all love bargains. It's exactly the same when it comes to the share market. Great companies at a discounted price, so you want to consider to take advantage of that. The second thing that I want you to consider when prices fall is to ignore the headlines or to ignore the noise, as we say, that's around you. You see, when if there's a huge sale, say for example, your favorite clothing brand, you're going to ignore all your friends and family to tell you not to go out and buy it, right? So what I'd suggest is to consider is to ignore the noise that's around you, especially if it's not related to the companies that you're thinking about investing in. Because there's no point in focusing on that. It's unrelated to that. So that's the second thing, is to ignore the noise. And the final thing that I want you to think about when the share market falls or there's volatility is to remember the actual underlying companies that you're investing in. And I have spoken about this in my previous videos. Always think about the companies that you're investing in. Commonwealth Bank, Apple, Google, all these great companies will continue to grow and do what they're good at, whether the share price rises or falls. So that's what you need to remember, is that the companies themselves don't change if their share prices are falling. So that's my 3 tips for you today. Remember, when markets fall, to take advantage of the discount, to ignore the headlines or to ignore the noise around you, and finally, always remember the underlying company itself, and they will continue to do what they're good at, whether their share price will rise or fall. So that's it for this week. Hope you got something out of it. If you'd like more information, please, in the comment section below, write your comments, and I'm more than happy to go through them with you. If you like more information, or if you'd like to get started investing, please also put your comments down below, and I'm more than happy to sit down with you and help you get started in that, and to start investing and grow your portfolio. And remember, I'm dedicated to helping you take actionable steps today for a better financial tomorrow. See you all next week. Bye-bye.